Hello, my name is Cameron and I'm a mechanical engineer here at Poynting. Today I'll be unboxing the SWIRL CPE Base that will be used in conjunction with the SWIRL. The packaging we use is recyclable and we made sure to make the packaging very robust with intense inserts. The box comes with a user guide, an accessory box. Inside the accessory box, there's cable glands and screws, and your base. This is a cast aluminium base with pre-drilled holes for various 4G and 5G routers. In the box, you will find various different cable glands, which you can see are here and over there. This is to protect against water ingress. Just to show you how the antenna fits on the base, the screws are already in the base, ready to fasten the antenna. This base has two mounting options, surface and standard marine mounting, and we do provide the screws. Thank you for watching our SWIRL base unboxing video that is used in conjunction with the SWIRL antenna. If you have any other questions, please contact us.